Sauloa oe e no fo mai o utawhatafa o le amatanga o si tamafutanga o le lumanai o lo o saunia mai mo tatou uma e vai mo nai o uso se na fai fa mole mole fa amaloita mona yo uso se fa amanalo mai moso se mole mole fa angaloita o lo uso o le au te fa ato ese ai awa o iloa wana o e na te fa amangalo mai o le lumanai o lo o saunia mai mo tatou uma se na fai fa mole mole fa angaloita
took a year to celebrate the honeymoon. Ride to the waves of the drama that will happen soon. Now here we are, sitting in the courtroom, thinking about the times we had and the love we gained. And all we really have now is the pain. It's gonna take a miracle, an act of God. Sweet Jesus, can you help us with this dialogue? I speak to heaven as I search your eyes, cause I ain't ready for let-goes and goodbyes. I plead for mercy and I hope she with it. I know I need to win her heart back, and I get it. If only I could take it all back, Lord, I wish I could. Even if it means the world is understood. I learned a lesson about love and blessings. Never take it for granted, and that's my soul's confession.
You know, sometimes the hardest words to say is I'm sorry. And then sometimes they are the hardest words to accept. But if we are willing, and if we're able, then and only then can you truly move forward.
It's about forgiveness.
Try to work it out.
Forgiveness.
That's what it's all about.
Forgiveness.
Can you meet me halfway?
Forgiveness.
This is what I'm trying to say. Let's try to work it out.
Forgiveness.
That's what it's all about.
Forgiveness.
Can you meet me halfway?
Forgiveness.
This is what I'm trying to
It's
say.
about forgiveness. 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 It's about forgiveness. 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 Forgiveness.
Sweet Jesus, ha. I'm back, huh. Yeah.
One more chance, give me one more
Heavenly
chance.
Father,
Give me one more chance.
I know I did wrong.
Give me one more chance.
Help me, dear Lord.
Give me one more
Yeah.
chance.
I'ma begin with an apology. Hear my plea for forgiveness. Tired of this wickedness that exists in my midst, so it's goodbye. Even through the pain, you maintain and stand by. Cause I wouldn't be living if sinning was my ruler. Like the prodigal son, I'm gonna come right back to you. I knew you before and I'm never forgotten. Even when I was rotten, your blood never stopped washing. Gotta get back to the cross and tossing my old way straight. For many days, your love never seemed to fade. You laid your life down for me. I know you really do care for me. Always been there for me. Now carefully, I'm prepared to be cleansed. Make amends for all my sins. Now I wanna spend my whole life with you. Another chance is all I ask of you, Lord.
One more chance, give me one more chance.
That's all I'm asking.
Father, give me one
That's
more
all I'm
chance.
asking.
I know I did wrong, give me
Yes,
one more
Lord.
chance. Tell me, dear Lord, give me one more chance. One more chance,
That's all
give
I'm
me one more
asking.
chance. Heavenly Father,
That's
give
all
me
I'm
one more
asking.
chance. I know I did wrong, give me one more chance. Help me, dear Lord, give me one
How
more
many
chance.
times did I have to be told I gotta let it go? Thought I had it under control, even though I took it slow. Spiritual background, but I was slipping into darkness. The largest part of my fears is coping with my peers when the smoke cleared. I spotted Jesus with his arms open. He put my life back together after my heart was broken. Quoting scriptures as a kid was the life I lived. Committing nothing but sin was my prerogative. Backslid, that's what I did, and that's my confession. I learned my lesson. He's the answer to all my questions. Showed me affection, but I took it for granted. Stranded, all alone, cause on my own, that's where I roam. Now that I've grown, I reminisce and ponder how I neglected the fact that Jesus makes me stronger. My heart grew fonder the longer I stayed away. Was it that I got saved? Thank God that he made way. Never did he fade way. Even though I strayed away, I should have been a juvenile. And I know it took a while, but I came back and reconciled. Now I'm known as heaven's child, and I'm back like I know I should. This time I'm back for good. Sweet Jesus.